Hello, in front of me I have Samsung S25, and in this video I'm going to show you how to share the internet using the hotspot. Okay, so to use it we need to open up our settings first, and let's click on the connections. Now to use the hotspot, find mobile hotspot and tethering, and to enable it, simply click right in here. Click once more, click on OK, and now other devices are available to connect and use the internet. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.